Hello, welcome back to the Secured by YouTube channel. This video will show you how to celebrate Independence Day with profitable sales by using cap discount for your online store. On sales rush, unlimited discounts can significantly cut into your profits. Let's explore the common problem faced by merchants during big sales. The main issue is that percentage discount often grow with the cart size. This means merchants risk losing significant margins on larger orders. But there is a smart solution to protect your profits during this demand period. The solution is to add a cap discount to your offers. For instance, you could offer 20% off up to 500 rupees maximum. Let's look at the clear benefits of implementing this strategy. This allows you to control discounts, especially on larger orders. It ensures your Independence Day sales remains profitable, benefiting your business in the long run. You can protect your margins while still generously rewarding your loyal customers. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, follow this video completely without skipping. So, before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel because more seasonal tips are on the way. So for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I am using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount card as your discount type and add for any discount. Now I am adding a flat 40% off as my code here. I'm planning to give up 40% with a capping amount of $200. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond $200. Even if the 40% of our cart value is higher than 200, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount will never exceed other than 200. And by using this discount cap, whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smarter way to stay generous without giving away too much. And you can apply your discount to all the products or a specific products or a specific collection. Let's try with the all products now. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the usage of this code, like the number of times the discount can be used in total. 100 here means this discount will be available for 100 first users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And in this active date section, you can set some start date, start time, or end date and end time through which this discount is active. Like if you are planning to run this Independence Day sale through the month or 10 days before Independence Day or a week of Independence Day like that, then those timings and dates you can set it over here. And you can also combine this code with the existing ones like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all these changes, you can save it. Now let's check whether our code has been activated. From the discount section, you can see that flat 40% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 234. Let's add this to the cart. I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 234 has been applied successfully and this user will be getting 93 rupees or dollars as the discount amount. So since the cap discount is at 200, then this 40% of the cart value is not exceeding 200. So this customer will be getting a complete payment of 40% of 234 as the discount amount. Let's try with some other products with a higher priced value. Let's try out with this product of 5,000 rupees. Let's add our code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped our discount amount at $200, the maximum discount the customers will be getting only up to 200. So using this cap discount, whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, the says it will stay generous without giving away too much. And that's how you set up a 40% off, which is capped at 200 on your Independence Day sale. So while you're waiting for, grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.